Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box, what we're going to do is we're going to take this old rough, rusty, crusty shifter and we're going to try to bring it back to a nice mirror finish and see how long that takes us. So anyway, let's go over to the metal polisher and check this out. Well, we've been polishing on this side a little bit. Of course, when I started, they all looked like that. This side is not complete. I've got a little more polishing to do, but I think we can bring this thing back and it'll have a pretty good shine on it. Well, so far we've polished three sides. We got, I'm gonna call that the driver's side, the front, and the passenger side. The passenger side's still a little tarnished. It's kind of etched with corrosion. I may take some 1500 sandpaper and go over that, see if I can't knock that corrosion off. And I still have this corroded area on the back side. So we'll see what that cleans up like. So anyway guys, that little shifter, it polished up pretty good, and I'll show you what that thing fits right now. But what we have right here is a little work in progress. I got it from somebody. Of course they started it and tore it all down. I've got the biggest part of the parts, and I pressure washed it and cleaned it up a little bit. But other than that, this is kind of where I'm at. And I've got an engine and a transaxle, and so anyway, that's what this shifter is going to go on. So anyway guys, that's going to be my Baja bug that I'm going to start sometime next year. Probably might do a little bit on it this year, but primarily that is for 2020. So anyway, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.